the center of gravity indicator, which is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and apply it to the chart. Also, traders can own this trip to know how the indicator worked. You select the indicator file from the Navigator section and drag the file onto the chart to apply the indicator. Just make sure to pay attention to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Common section, and then click the OK button. With the indicator being applied, an oscillator window will open at the bottom of the chart for us. Using the center of gravity indicator, we can identify bullish and bearish trends, along with divergences on the chart. When the red line crosses above the blue line, which is our signal line, it indicates a bullish trend, and when the red line crosses below the blue line, it indicates a bearish trend. In the settings, under the input section, there are several options available. The first part relates to the period settings of the center of gravity. The next part pertains to the type of moving average calculation, which has various options. You can set it using the closing price, opening price, highest price, lowest price, and other factors, with the default set to the median price. The next section is about displaying or not displaying the signal line and the red line. Finally, there is a dedicated template for the indicator, which has 4 parts: auto, light, dark, and custom. Selecting the auto option only changes the color of the candles, with bullish candles appearing in bright green and bearish candles in color. The red and bright colors change. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template on my chart is selected with the dark option, which chooses a dark template. Finally, by selecting the custom option, it retains your customized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. Here, I will select the dark template and deactivate the signal line, and then I will click OK. Here, the dark template has been applied to my chart, and my signal line is deactivated. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.